sound as in purpose and rat. Place of articulation is a bilabial consonant. It occurs when you blow constrict airflow out of the mouth. Bring your lips together. Manner of articulation. Its manner is stop. It's occurred when the vocal tract is closed completely. But for stop, the airflow is not redirected through the nose. Instead, the air quickly boils at pressure behind the articulator and the release in a burst. How to articulate this sound? It is defined by the shape of your lips and the motion of airflow through your mouth. And it is a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure. He is stopping airflow and then release it. In this case, you use both your lips to create the stop and then release it. To produce the sound, bring both of your lips and build up some pressure in your mouth, then release. Bilabial. Explain if they are voice or voice. It is voices, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. Now I propose the following phrases. They important people appearing in group. Find the phonetics of foreign sentences. Help poor people to live better. Don't be part of the problem, be part of the solution. Sound as is thick and bad. It is produced by placing the tip of the tongue between the upper and lower front teeth, that different from dental consonants, which are articulated with the tongue against the back of upper incisor. Manner of articulation fricative. This is sound involve only a partial blockage of the vocal tract, so that air has to be forced through a narrow channel. How to pronounce the sound? The form is made through the mouth. It is defined by position of your tongue and teeth. In this case, it is between the tips of the tongue and the top teeth. To produce the sound, you have to stick out your tongue a little. This can feel very unnatural for some people who are not used to it, but it is essential to produce the sound correctly. Rest your top teeth on your tongue and force air out between your teeth. Explain if they are voice or voices. It is on voice. Which means that you don't use your vocal cord to make the sound. Now I propose the following phrases. My birthday is on Saturday, April 3rd. Find the phonetics of the following sentences. I used the toothpaste toothbrush last Thursday. There are many teeth is a mouth. Nk, nk, as in going and bring. Velar. Place of articulation behind your hard palate. You have the velum or soft palate, unlike the bony hard palate in front of this consists of short mucosal tunes. You make velar consonant when you raise the back of your tongue to the velum to block or restrict airflow. Manner of articulation nasal. It is created when you complete block airflow through your mouth and let the air pass through your nose. How to pronounce ng? The tongue is raised at the back, touching the soft palate, and the noise is released through the nose. Explain if they are voice or voices. It's voices. Voices. Which means you use vocal short. Now I propose the following phrases. You are doing something wrong. Find the phonetics of the following sentences. Something boring is happening. The singer sang a beautiful song. Thank you.